Welcome to this video about how to use a spreadsheet, in this case Excel 2016, to create a class markbook. We're going to start right from scratch. This opening video is very much a revision of the material that you've covered previously, but it's always good to make sure that we're all on the same page. Click the little start button if you are in Windows 10. And in my case, I can easily see Excel 2016, my spreadsheet program, which is one of my tiles in the right-hand side of this opening menu. Once it opens, we will ask for a blank workbook. And here is the generic starting grid. And you'll notice that the grid is actually made up of columns and rows. The columns are denominated by a letter, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on, whereas the rows are numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. And if we look in this little box here, we can see the cell reference. So this one is A1, A, and 1. If we were to choose this one down here, we can see that it is D4. And sure enough, D4 comes up in the little name box there. And then the other thing we need to just identify very quickly is that numbers, when they are inserted into a box, so for example, the number 34, the numbers are aligned to the right, whereas if we want a number to be text, we put in an apostrophe, and we can say that the year 2017 isn't a value, it is actually a label. And therefore you'll notice that if we click on this little green job here, it'll tell us that at the moment the number is being stored as text. So we can separate our years from the columns of marks and so on.